picture niya. Yung dati kasi video lang. Ganda-ganda niya. Eh, congrats nga pala sa video niya, 1 million. $1.1. Oh, natin na sa last time.
When you know your photos or stories, follow me at essence.com on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for latest updates.
Hi, Paulette!
We highly request our fans to take photos and then move along so that others can get their chance to take photos as well.
Last time, sinabi ko, try mo lahat kayo ng Spotify, sabi ko, galing na